Welcome to SurveySparrow. In this video, we will talk about what is skip logic and how to use it to build a complex survey. At least once in your lifetime, you must have attempted a survey where you felt completely lost. You couldn't relate to half of the question or context mentioned. How many times have you abandoned such surveys halfway? How many have you mindlessly responded for the sake of responding? This is where you could use skip logic and save your customer from getting stuck with totally irrelevant questions. Now, what skip logic does is that it allows the respondents to navigate to a future point in their survey based on the responses given. For example, imagine you are a pet food manufacturing company. You need to survey various kinds of pet owners. Not all questions apply to all the pets. A question for the dog parent about morning walks or exercise might not apply for a cat owner or hamster owner. In such situation, with skip logic can be used. According to the pet you selected, future question would be aligned for you. With this flexibility to customize the pages that the respondent sees, you can create complex surveys with extensive questions branching. It is an amazing way to deliver a completely personalized survey experience for your respondents. They will not be bombarded with inapplicable questions anymore. In the previous example, you can use layers of skip logic to target the exact audience you need. You can have different pages for different breeds of cat or age of dogs. You can build your survey in any way you want. Hope you understood the video. Check out our gallery to see other videos on similar topics.